Skyhook. Heads talk, tails talk. Design your own. The Skyhook series positioner provides 2-axis motion, continuous rotation, and 180 tilt from the horizontal table position. This configuration of positioner can also be made in a geared elevation version with a third powered axis for elevation. The work table's surface can be specified at varying distances below the tilt axis, as well as specifying swing radius, clearances from the table's rotation axis to the nearest obstruction. Due to the configuration of these models, it is necessary to consult the factory for sizing and capacity requirements. The counterbalancing effect of the cantilevered hanger precludes pre-calculated load capacity charts, since applications require differing hanger lengths and the table's drop distance below the tilt axis. The counterbalancing effect will vary greatly. The load, center of gravity location, and swing clearance will be required to assist the factory in the selection of the correct model. Skyhook positioner features EC variable speed drives and motors, optional servo drives, powered 180 tilt, optional geared elevation models available, robotic versions, fixed heads talk robotic positioner, single horizontal axis, rotational positioner, positioner heads talk, authorized robotic integrator program, Z-axis heads talk robotic positioner, degrees of freedom. 2. Horizontal Z-axis rotational positioner with vertical axis height adjustment capability, Z-axis heads talk positioner, drop center robotic positioner, degrees of freedom. 2. Horizontal axis rotational positioner with rotating secondary axis and integrated tails talk for increased weight capacity, positioner drop center, indexing heads talk robotic position or H-frame, degrees of freedom. 1 per head tail stock. Dual horizontal head tail stock positioners mounted on a dual indexing, rotating vertical axis for increased weight capacity and productivity. Enables downtime-free part installation and removal when integrated flash screen is included with the positioner assembly. Positioner head stock and tail stock. Ferris wheel robotic positioner. Degrees of freedom. 2 per head tail stock. Horizontal axis rotational positioner with dual horizontal rotating head tail stocks for increased weight capacity, versatility and productivity. Enables downtime-free part installation and removal when integrated flash screen is included with the positioner assembly. Positioner Ferris wheel. Servo RTU track. Linear track positioner with servo control capable of continuous or incremental travel. Positioner servo RTU track. Skyhook robotic positioner. Horizontal axis rotational positioner with cantilevered rotating secondary axis for increased accessibility and versatility. Skyhook positioner. Z-axis skyhook. Horizontal axis rotational positioner with cantilevered rotating secondary axis and height adjustment for complex components or applications requiring compound degrees of freedom. Skyhooks. Skyhook positioner. Luoyang Bota manufactures 2-axis robotic skyhook positioners with up to a 200,000 kg capacity. The units are designed to accept servo motor and external axis control from a robot, or we can provide servo motors and controls or variable frequency drives and motors.